very much. Thank you very much for the time. They are the Ambassador of Republic of Korea to Indonesia, Mr. Park Tae-sung. They are Director General of Pharma and Medical Device, Ibu Engko Sosialin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to Kotra inviting me to share our experiences working together with Korean company. My name is Hansen, Business Development from Mensa Group, Indonesia. I think we can start with the slide. Okay, my name is Hansen, Corporate Business Development from Indonesia. I was graduated as a medical doctor from Pajajaran University in Bandung in 2001. On the same year, I was joined PT Otto, one of the company in Mensa Group, as a product manager until 2006. With a good opportunity from our company to expand the company business, that year I was moved to handle business development. And in 2011, the management has given me to an additional responsibility as a corporate function in business development unit until now. So actually, this event reminds me to the first event that I was invited by Kotra. On that time, I was met so many Korean companies in Seoul in 2007. It has been around 13 years until now. And Kotra has supported us and introduced us with so many good candidates. Even until now, we have established some cooperation with Korean companies, of course, with the support from Kotra. One of the key important point of the cooperation with Kotra, with Korean companies, one of them is happened in 2015 when we do signing ceremony with Korean company to establish a joint venture company in Indonesia. On that time, Otto Pharmaceutical Industries Indonesia, one of our company, do the cooperation with one of the biggest pharma company in Korea, CKD Farm. It's an honor for us to be trusted as a joint venture partner with one of the biggest pharma company in Korea. Okay. First of all, I will give you some brief introduction about the group Mensa Group. We are Mensa Group, a group of companies under the management of Mensa Group. We work for the healthcare business. Starting in 1975, our founder, Mr. Sudarta, established a trading company with the name Menjangan Sakti. Since that time, our company being appointed with so many reputable European companies to distribute their products and raw material in Indonesia. With our value-meeting commitment and balanced and lasting relationship, we have maintained our partners, our cooperation with so many of them. Even until now, there was still so many companies have worked with us for a long time. Some of them even more than 40 years with us. Next. As a group companies, we are expanding our business, our business capabilities, not only for the raw material distribution, but also with manufacturing companies. We acquired Otto in 1981, and also we acquired Lenson Pertiwi Agung in 1984. We are strengthened our business with distribution company. We acquired MBS in 1986. And of course, we are keep expanding our business with manufacturing of dental equipment, medical devices, also distribution medical device, baby products, and also clinics. And also, our son of the founder also developing one of the famous online business platform in Indonesia for healthcare. Basically, we are also expanding our business, and also we are focusing also to export some of our product to some countries. So, as a growing companies, our marketing team are also improve their capabilities. And of course, we need to give them a good products, a good ammunition to expand our business and keep growing. Next slide. So, as a part of my responsibility as a business development, I have to find a good partners. I have to find a good products. Actually, if we are looking for a partner, a strong partnership, looking for a candidate is similar with looking for the married partner candidate. So, for a good young girl, of course, we will looking for a handsome boy, and I'm sure it's a good opportunity for us to find them in Korea. It's a good opportunity for us to find a good partner in Korea. I think all of us agree about the K-pop, one of the most famous handsome boy and girls from Korea. Everybody knows about them. And even so many people in our office also and my family also become the big fans of so many Korean K-pop. And I'm sure with a good example that the K-pop is so popular, I'm sure that looking for the partner in Korea also a good opportunity for us. And to find the partner, the most important thing is about the reliable partner. We have to find a good the good partner with a good commitment, and also being trusted is our main concern. The other things, of course, we need to find a good and promising products, a good quality, a good technologies, and also having a good innovation, and also about the affordable price of pricing is also our main consideration. And of course, with the support from Kotra, we already met so many candidates from Korea. Some of them fit with our expectation, and also some of them we thought that they meet with our expectation. With the long time period, we have long experiences with so many companies. We met so many good people, not only companies from Korea. In Korea also there are so many good people, even not only targeting only for the business, but also we have a good relationship with them. Even not there's no business relationship, but we are still contacting with so many of them. So okay, if we are looking for a good husband, we hope that you will look us also as a beautiful girl, attractive, not only for our company but also our country. The next slide, please. Okay, with this information, I think this is Indonesia. I hope that you all agree with us. Indonesia is a good, beautiful, and yes, very attractive. I think it will be a good thing to do the cooperation. You can see here we have a huge market. We have 260 million people. I'm sure who will not be interested with us. We also have a good GDP growth, means in the future it will be promising buying power. And also about the politics, the most important is about the stability. With a long-term investment, we have to be sure about the political stability. Another things, we are discussing about medical market. All of us will agree with me, as long as there are people, there will always be a health issue. Since from the baby until the elderly, there are always a health issue, not about the sickness, but about the health issue, a well-being and a well-living. And because of this medical business, there will be always a good opportunity. With our current national security system, BPJS, I think we already have run this BPJS already for 7 years. Also have 100% coverage, means Indonesia have a huge market. I think, yes, with this information, I think all of us will be agree that Indonesia is beautiful and attractive. And another thing, Ibu Engko will agree also that it will be a good time for us to invest in Indonesia because Indonesia is ready for the investment. Talking about the investment, I'm sure this one is the most important because all of us already know about Indonesia. Indonesia is one of the largest Muslim population in the world. With this benefit, I'm sure if you do the investment in Indonesia, and also with the new implementation of halal policy, it sure will help you to expand your business not only for Indonesia, but from Indonesia will open the doors to another country like MENA or other Islamic countries. Okay, we talked too much about the engagement. Now we are going to the next step. I think if both company already agree, then we continue with the wedding reception. Okay, this is the joint venture. As I have mentioned before, we started the joint venture with Cheongkundang, CKD Farm Korea, in 2015. And in 2019, the facility of CKD Auto Oncology facility is ready and inaugurated last year to become one of the first halal oncology facility in Indonesia. We are very proud of this. We believe we will have a good business, not only for Indonesia market, but also export it to other countries. Next slide. To prove the commitment from both sides, when we meet expectation, there will be a good business to start. For example, this year, we will launch one of the product called Fardipin. This product comes from the production by Korean company, imported by us, and will be promoted by Otto in Indonesia. Next, the other cooperation also, we do the cooperation for the product, for the aesthetic products. Because all of us will agree with us that Korea is well known as a good aesthetic beauty business. So we are looking for product from Korea, and we found some of the product, and we are expecting to launch the product from them within this year. Another things, we are already distributing some of the raw material, API from Korea for pharma and cosmetics. This is the raw material business. And we trust also the quality from Korea. Besides our machinery from Europe, we are also using some Korean origin machineries to set up in our facilities. Okay, next slide. Okay, if we are talking about the success cooperation stories, of course, we are also not covering about the failures. We found so many challenges to make success, to prepare the success of the cooperation. The most important things, number one is the issue about the registration. There's no business without permission, without permit. There's no business without registration. Our expected business here is about pharma business, about medical device business. It's all about medical. It is not about K-pop. If we are registering K-pop in Indonesia, of course, we are sure that it will be accepted in Indonesia. But when we are talking about medical device, we are talking about regulation. We have to be careful about the products. When we are doing innovation, which is so many Korean companies doing this innovation, this is very good and very beautiful things to have a good innovation product. But we have to be more concerned about the regulation. We have to be more concerned about the clinical trials. There are regulations to follow. Regulation are about guidance to have a good and safety product. I'm sure the Ministry of Health, Ibu Engko, also will agree with us. To be sure that we will have a good and safe product, we have to follow the regulation. And another small matters that are about pricing and quantity. It will become issue when there is miscommunication, misunderstanding when we are set up the pricing and the quantity. All of us should understand that Indonesia is not Korea and Korea is not Indonesia. So to avoid the further conflict, we have to agree about the strategies how to penetrate Indonesia. Pricing, we need to decide which segment to be targeted and how about their buying power. Quantity also will become the issue. If we choose the huge 100% market, for example, the market that covered by BPJS, means that you have to be prepared about the price competition. If you are expecting for a high quality and high price, of course, the market will not be like that big. It will only be limited by a certain numbers. Okay, next slide. Next. Okay, I think this will help you to understand about the key of success factor to be a cooperation. The winning people will be needed. People with experiences, skill, and also knowledge, it will be needed to have a good cooperation. They will deliver the product. Of course, the product should be trusted, should have a good quality, and of course should meet the regulation with the affordable price. We are not talking about the cheap price or the expensive price. The most important is about the affordable price. And after that, we have to distribute to the right place. We have to define the strategy. Are we going to penetrate to all Indonesia market, which is from Sabang until Merauke? There are thousands of islands and thousands of cities. Are we going to cover all of them? Or are we going to specify our target to some cities? We have to define the first the first is we have to define the strategy. After that, we can define who will become our partners. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is Indonesia New Normal. In Indonesia, New Normal called AKB, Adaptasi Kebiasaan Baru. When we are working for healthcare business about medical, many people think that this is the beneficial for us, that so many people will have sick, will have COVID-19, will worried, they will panic, they will buying this and that. But we have to understand that there's an opportunity, but also there's a direct impact from COVID-19. You can see that people are afraid of visiting healthcare facilities. Doctors and pharmacy are afraid of serving sick people. All of them are afraid to be infected by COVID-19. This give a huge impact for us. Even for the first 3 months, I think the business in Indonesia for the healthcare is quite terrible. Even the numbers of vitamin, the demand is high, but we have some difficulties on the time. Nielsen said that within the first 3 months, the vitamin consumption is increased. Yes, that's right. But not only vitamin C, hand sanitizer, protection like hazmat suit, face mask, and so many things are rising up. There's a huge of needs in Indonesia, a huge of demand. Even the price is increasing very high. Some of them become more than 10 times. But that's only a short-term period. After that, the situation will become more stable. For example, today, the demand of vitamin C is even still higher than before, but there are already so many new players. There are already so many supply in the market. So there's still a competition and the supply is already there and the demand is even higher, the supply still can fulfill the demand. Some of the surveys said that, this is for Jakpet, there are huge changes in the healthcare behavior, the health behavior and lifestyles. People are more concerned about personal hygiene, more washing hands, more using hand sanitizer, and using face masks, and also they are planning for more on their healthy life. For example, more exercise, like cycling, and also looking for healthy food. There are also changes in the activities. There are so many offline activities before, now become shifting to the online. There are so many online activities today. But with this condition, we also have to be understand about the situation. Staying alive is not only about the health issue, but also about economic, also about social life. So many people need to eat. We have to find the food for our families. Also need to meet people, relatives. That's all what we need. So this situation will drive people to move outside. Okay, next slide. So, in my opinion, all medical business will slowly recover from the previous damage from COVID-19. People will adapt to the new normal. There will be online activities and the economic will run. On the beginning, we do the stay at home, make a physical distancing, wearing masks, washing hand. There will be a new adaptation. People will move out. And that will do, we will find it everywhere in Indonesia. So everywhere, everything will be better. Next slide. This is the most updated situation in Indonesia. Jakarta is entering the new lockdown. Jakarta governor has stated that lockdown has been started since yesterday. This situation driven by the numbers of people that infected by COVID-19 are still rising up. They are worried that ICU capacity in hospital will not be enough. There is more than 100 doctors in Indonesia has already passed away infected by COVID-19. They are infected by COVID-19 while they are treating patients. This is a huge number. 100 doctors is not little number. This is a huge number. And even you can compare to other countries, this number is quite huge, and this keep worrying us, keep worrying the government. That's why Jakarta government make a lockdown in Jakarta. But are we going to be afraid to invest? Are we going to be afraid to prepare for the new business in the future? I don't think so. In my opinion, we have to prepare to face the changes. There are the changes in the future. After the changes, there will be a new opportunities. There will be the new opportunities to come. Even after this COVID, or even within this COVID, within this situation, there will be always a new opportunities. So, are we going to be left behind because we are not ready? Or we are going to be well prepared and we will get the good opportunities in the future? In my opinion, it's better for us to make a good preparation, and we will be ready for the next chance and opportunities. Okay, thank you very much for the time. This is my presentation. Kamsahamnida.